In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list in Canva Docs. If you've ever needed to lay out steps, instructions, or priorities clearly, a numbered list is the quickest way to keep everything organized and easy to follow. Canva Docs makes this super simple with a built-in command that you can trigger right from your keyboard. Start by opening your document and placing your cursor exactly where you want the list to begin. This matters because the list will start from the point of your cursor and everything you type afterward will follow that structure. Once your cursor is in place, type a single /. That's the slash key on your keyboard, and in Canva Docs, it opens a handy command menu. Think of it like a shortcut palette that lets you insert formatting and elements without hunting through menus. After the slash, you'll see a list of options. Look for the option called Numbered List. You can either scroll to find it or start typing the word numbered to narrow the results right away. When you see Numbered List, press Enter. That's it. The list is inserted and ready for you to start typing your first item. You'll notice the first number appears automatically. Type your first point, then press Enter. Canva Docs will instantly add the next number for you. Keep typing each item and hitting Enter, and the numbering will continue on its own. This automatic numbering saves time and ensures everything lines up neatly without you having to manage the numbers yourself. If you pause to think and then keep typing, the numbering will pick up where you left off. If you need to add more detail to an item, just continue on the same line. The number will stay attached to that point. The key idea here is simple. Type your slash to bring up the menu, choose Numbered List, press Enter, and then let Canva Docs handle the numbering every time you press Enter for a new line. A quick tip: if the slash menu doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is active in the document and that you're working in Canva Docs, not on a design canvas. Also, double-check you typed a single / with no spaces before it, and that's all you need. Open your document, type a slash, find Numbered List, press Enter, and then type and press Enter to continue the sequence automatically. It's fast, clean, and perfect for any structured content you want to present clearly.